Hi, my name is Eric, and I've been seeing Dr. Mohrdar since September 2001. I first came to him because I was having a lot of troubles with atrial fibrillation, a heart arrhythmia, and I'd been to several cardiologists, and I had not gotten any help to treat my condition that worked. So as my condition got worse and worse, I reluctantly agreed to try him, as I was born and raised to use only traditional medicine, and came here, and the first appointment I had with him, he spent 2 hours with me and really examined me in detail, talked to me about my life and all my problems, and really cared, really spent the time with me. It was an amazing first visit, and from that first visit on, I was hooked. And over the next 2 years, he worked with me in treating my condition and came up with things that cardiologists had never even thought of, such as magnesium treatment and various amino acids, that within 2.5 years of first seeing him, my atrial fibrillation was under control 99% of the time, versus having very horrendous episodes monthly, sometimes several times a month. And to this day, my events are very rare. I see him for other things, now. If I have heartburn or an illness or whatever it is, I come see him to use his natural treatments, and I recommend them very highly. It's changed my life. Whereas in the past, cardiologists told me there's nothing we can do to help you. Eventually you'll be in atrial fibrillation 100% of the time. We'll have to put you on blood thinners. And when I told Dr. Mohrdar that, he scoffed at that advice and said, give me some time and we'll find what's causing your problems and we'll treat it and find a solution, and he has. And I owe him changing my life, and I would never consider not seeing him again as my primary regular doctor, even though insurance doesn't cover him, and at times it's a little bit expensive, but it's totally changed my life, and I've recommended him to lots of friends who've tried him, and they use him and all say the same thing. So that is my testimony, to go see Dr. Mohrdar.